Good morning, guys. Man, I've been having a blast this morning with you guys. Guys, we've been scouring the market, scouring the coins, looking for the best trade setups, and you guys are getting some really good trade setups this morning. Honestly, I just came out with this video in the Telegram channel to show you guys what the best scalping trade literally for today is on the top 14 trades coins that we trade here, and it's pretty awesome, guys. The strategy that we're using is working really well. We are literally 121 wins with 0 losses. There is YouTube proof. There is Telegram documented proof with timestamps of everything for all of these trades, guys. I know some people are like, no, there's no possible way this dude has done 121 wins in a row. Yes, guys, and on top of this, I know this is a bold statement, not a single member who's ever joined us, ever through our journey, who's used our strategy, has ever lost a trade. Ever. You guys can ask people in the chat if you would like, so you can get someone else's opinion. We have the highest win rate on YouTube. Guys, come trade with us. Join our membership today and come trade with us. You guys are going to love this. I want to go over Bitcoin to kind of see where we're going in this market because it's kind of making people a little nervous, and we're going to go over some actual metrics over here. We're actually going to go through some blockchain as well as on-chain metrics here and show you guys what Wells and institutions are doing. So let's dive in here. Okay, trend dashboard. What are retail traders waking up to this morning? What are they looking at? Well, majority of their indicators, the standard ones they use, are bearish. So if we get in here, I just want to show this a larger view, and I'm going to zoom in here in a second. This is the big trade we've got going on right now. We're only 5.46 away from break even. Not at all. We actually end up not at all bad is what I meant to say there. November 15th was our entry. December 3rd was our second buy limit, and January 21st was our third buy limit that got hit, and there's still another buy limit down here. Okay, let's dive in here to see what's actually going on with Bitcoin, see if we can get some idea of what's going on. I want to pull this descending support line on the chart here. All right. If you guys have been watching my Bitcoin videos, I have been hounding you guys a lot about a move down to 42.7, and that is exactly where we hit and we bounce back up. Exactly to the dollar, guys. I'm not trying to be cocky about this, but literally exactly at 42,700, very close to that is where we ended up touching, and then we started to bounce back up, and it's where we had a target called for this channel. And for those of you guys who are trading with us, if you guys saw that, if you guys took a scalping trade, you guys are doing pretty good. You're in the profit right now if you've taken that. All right, that has come down to our target. And that's great. Now let's assess what's happening with price for swell, money flow, and trend exhaustion. These indicators in the description. Snag them, guys. They're 82% off. Don't miss this, okay? Let me get this out of the way because we do not need this anymore, but I do want to come up here and I want to pull this trend line from here, and I want to pull this up here because this could be coming into play. Let's take this out because we don't need this anymore. All right. What I'm seeing right now is, guys, look at this. You've got this high here, and you've got a lower high, and you've got a high and a lower high as well here. Look at how much money was flowing out of the market here while the price was trying to move back up here. There's just no way this was going to get above here. And this is not a form of divergence, but it is a form of just showing you guys the market is moving money out here while price action is trying to kind of stay up in this consolidated period. And it's just not going to stay moving up. It's going to have to see a move back down. Money's not following. When you guys see trend exhaustion in the top red section, and you guys see well money flow moving up, you need to watch for moves back down. This is why I circle these on every single video, it seems like. And I know it gets boring to watch. And I don't know, maybe you guys are excited to see this. Wow, you got the power in your hands to call drops in crypto. Yeah, we kind of do, honestly, guys. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. Get these indicators and look for those drops. I just showed you guys 2 videos of how to use these to scalp the markets. Never lost a scalping trade ever. None of our traders. If you guys have used the full risk management that I teach you guys in the Masterclass 7, nobody has ever lost it because nobody's hit their buy limit yet. I know that for a fact, okay? Because I know when we came out with the tutorial and you guys are all doing really well. The point being, you guys are doing fantastic. Great job, guys. So anybody who even came out over here and took the scalping trade over here, if you guys did, it's a little bit more aggressive, but when trend exhaustion was low and well money flow was low here, and you guys looked to take this, you were only looking for 3 to 4% profit, and you're scalping. You guys did 5.59. You can, yes, take 3 to 4% out of that. Let's now talk about where we can be heading now. With this low trend exhaustion and well money flow low, I am looking for the bounce back up, and it was at that 42,700 level, okay? Now, if we do break below this, the next thing to catch us, guys, is the descending support, which our next target down here, if we can look at this, is right at about $42,000, okay? 42,000 is the next place we're probably going to move down and move back up if we keep dropping. Okay, before we go over the metrics, I want to give you more data to make some good decisions because no matter what you're trading, we need to be watching the S&P. This will affect crypto, period. Okay, What we're seeing with the S&P is a correction back down. I've been watching this correction to possibly come back down to the 50% retracement zone. We are not there yet. That is why I do think we could see the crypto market move down further. And everybody who watched the scalping videos I did this morning, you need to use the 2 buy limits. I'm going to say this again, and I'm going to pause so you guys can hear this. Everyone scalping with our strategy, please use all the buy limits, or at least 2 of them, okay? This is going to help you guys stay safe. There's no guarantee the market or Bitcoin or crypto is going to head straight back up here. It is a nice drop, and I do believe overall we're probably going to see an overall uptrend in Q2 of this year, but there is nothing to guarantee that it's not going to just come straight back down and do structure lows here. So you must use the buy limits in the scalping strategy, okay, guys? That's how you're not going to lose any trades. Something I like about this is trend exhaustion is low and well money flows low. So this is giving us a sign that we could be seeing a move back up. What happened last time trend exhaustion and well money flow was low? Well, we did see a really nice pump back up. We even saw this pump up over here. And these are not small moves, guys, and it's happening when these indicators are low. Bottom red section, well money flow low. That is this pump here. You guys look over here. Trend exhaustion low, well money flow low. That is this pump right here. So this is why I'm getting a little more bullish on the videos. So I just want to show you guys, I'm not just coming out here and just saying that. The S&P 500 is looking like it as well. Let's move ourselves and let me move you guys over to the metrics now. You guys access all the metrics, all of the strategies that we trade over here at tradeconfident.io. $95 a month. It's the cheapest membership you guys will get. All the metrics are yours. The Telegram channel where I call entries and exits on all of our coins, which we have gone 121 wins in a row. You guys get all that with the Telegram channel. The master classes are all yours. The community chat where you guys can chat with other traders who have never lost trades. You can chat with them. And I'm going live on Zoom in 7 days here, March 14th from 3 to 4 p.m. We're going to hang out as a family and we're going to talk about trade setups, and we're just going to do an open Q&A session. Guys, snag a membership. This is going to be so much fun to go through. Okay, let's go over here. Go to the search bar, BTC. Boom, BTC charts are open. The emotional index this morning, guys, is sitting down. We actually, did we dip actually down into fearful? Let's see if we can get this a little bit bigger and see if we can. I don't think we actually did get down to fearful, sorry. Let me actually click the page over here. Okay, for some reason, my computer's not wanting to get a little bit bigger. Anyways, whatever. So we're close down to the anxious and fearful section. When this happens, you must come over here and just look. Just use your eyes, guys. I'm not trying to be rude at all. I don't mean that at all. But just look to see what's happened when we've seen this in the market. We've seen bounces back up. Look, this wasn't a lot. It wasn't a lot, but we are seeing retracements back up. So when we get down over here, this is why I'm looking for a move back up in the market. Really, guys, this is just a big consolidation pattern that we've been in over here. And some people can argue it's just a channel trading that we've been in. And yeah, it kind of is. So could we come back down to the bottom of the channel down here? I personally don't see Bitcoin heading back down here. I actually think for the year, we're probably seeing that this is going to be the low. I do. I think we saw a big enough crash in late 2021 that 2022 is kind of it's going to take a lot, I think, to get the market to crash all the way back down, because that means the S&P 500 is going to crash again. And I don't know if people are wanting to see a double crash within 6 months. So that's my personal opinion. The risk management will take over even if it happens, so we're not worried about it, okay? All right, take a look at long trades and short trades. Long trades are actually, staying steady here. They did drop out, but they're staying flat, and short trades are increasing just a tad bit. So is this bearish? Yes, it is a little bit bearish because we have short trades increasing here, but it's not by a lot. This to me doesn't give me a strong sentiment of, we're going up or we're going down. It's just kind of staying flat. Now, when we saw this over here, short trades increase, yeah, we're looking for the drop. When we saw long trades heading out of the market while price action was going up, yes, we were looking for a drop. That's why I was so adamant, one of the reasons why I was so adamant that we were going to head down to that area of 42,700. Okay, market cap strength, guys. The market cap is going back up here for Bitcoin. So people are buying. And when I say people, can I say Wells institutions? Because retail traders are not necessarily moving the market cap, guys. This is millions of dollars over here that are flooding in, and this is from institutions. They are buying the dip. Michael Saylor, I'm going to keep this up and I'm going to show you this again. This came out here on April 5th, okay? This is as of, I think it was the 4th. Yeah, April 4th for MicroStrategy. They bought 190 million Bitcoin, $190 million worth of Bitcoin, okay, at 45,714 as an average price. That's right up here, okay? So I think they bought that knowing that they're probably going to see a pump back up. If they thought the market was going to come back down and just crash again, I don't know if they would have placed $190 million in Bitcoin. I could be wrong. They could be wrong, but They may know something. Okay, trades in favor is sitting in the neutral section. It's a great day to get into a trade setup. I'll show you how to do that on this video. Well, institutional smart money, guys, these guys are coming out and they're looking for long trades. So you guys saw this over here. Short trades were increasing. I'm like, guys, I know you think this is going to go to the moon, but it is going to drop down. 42,700 because we saw institutions and wells coming out here and shorting. Okay? This, if you guys just pay attention to this metric here, it's going to help you be such better and safer traders, okay? When they're going long, guys, it's why I did a scalping video today, honestly. I saw this metric over here and other ones like this, and I'm like, you know what? If you're going to take a scalping trade, it's the best day to take it right now. If this thing goes down even further, you're going to hit more buy limits and you're going to get triggered into those. And look, you're probably going to see even a faster bounce back up if it goes down further. So it's a great day to take some scalping trades, guys. In the Telegram channel, watch the videos I came out with because I literally showed you guys how to find, and I showed you the exact process of how to find the best scalping trade setup for today, okay? And yes, I did spell method wrong here, but I changed it and it didn't change it for some reason on here. So anyways, guys, if I could spell as half as good as we trade over here, life would be amazing. So I'm sorry, spelling has never been my strong suit, but thankfully trading is not too bad. Okay, so support and resistance prices down here. Let's just keep this in view, guys. What I really want us to watch for is $42,000. 42, as far as structure goes, puts us right around this area here. It's kind of funny because there actually is a few structures over here that we need to be watching. So 42,000 is the drop point. As far as the move back up, really, I'm actually kind of looking for possibly a drop back down, and make sure you guys mark this up, of around 40, I would say 46,000, because that structure high here, that's close to this structure. It's close to the consolidation period as well. So I'm looking at about 46,000. Let me write this down on the iPad here. 46,000 for a move up, and then a drop back down. And then we're looking at 42,000 for support to bounce us back up in the markets. Okay. Two more metrics here, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup. This came out here and said, hey, you know what? If you're dollar cost averaging, this is not a bad time to get in. You guys actually, if you took this entry right here, that's literally exactly where MicroStrategy put in about $190 million. Literally on that signal. I'm not saying they used it. I'm saying on that signal here was right at the price. Now, if you guys are taking this, technically you can kind of get a better entry than MicroStrategy did with $190 million. So good job for those of you guys who are taking this. Death cross, guys. We're currently still in a death cross. That simply just means the 50 is below the 200-day moving average. So that's where we're currently sitting. You guys want to get into a trade setup? Well, let me show you. I'll give it all to you right here. Bitcoin's open to you guys so you can trade this. Some of you guys who are like, look, I'm going to be honest, Travis. Can I be honest with you? I don't believe you're 121 wins in a row. I'm like, okay, that's fine. Don't believe me. You can ask other people in our membership if you want on the chat. It's all live and it's public. So no one's going to lie over there. Like literally no one's lost a trade ever. But we keep our Bitcoin metrics open to everybody so people can trade Bitcoin. And literally we have people trading Bitcoin. They're like, oh, I actually haven't ever lost a trade. And then they're like, oh, that's why we need to get the membership, because you guys get access to all the coins and you can take a ton more wins with the membership because we're not covering them all on YouTube. And plus, we're covering old trades on YouTube that we're managing, so you're never going to see a new trade on YouTube. It's basically like, if you see it on YouTube, it's because we're managing the trade. All the new stuff happens on the website and in Telegram. So watch this, guys. If you want to get into a trade setup right now, here's all of your buy limits. Choose the amount that you want to enter this trade with. Let's say it's 1,000 buckaroogos, okay? Take the $1,000, split it into 4 equal portions, $250 each. Place $250 at the 4 yellow prices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super easy. Once the first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up in your exchange at the green price. It's a sell limit for 100%. That's all you guys are doing. This is so stinking simple. Literally 4 buy limits, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let the first one get hit and set up a sell limit. If it goes down, just like it went down over here and hit our 3rd buy limit, guess what? Our break-even entry did not stay on the first buy limit. It dropped all the way down here. Guys, we have saved ourselves, because we use this risk management strategy, we've saved ourselves 24.02% that we do not have to make back up. A lot of people FOMO'd in up here. So people who did, they're going to have to wait another 24%. We're only down 6.17% on this trade. It's incredible, this strategy that we're using. So once you guys do that, join me in Telegram, because I'm going to be literally calling an exit for Bitcoin here. If you guys get in right now, I'm looking for an exit structure high right here. So once we get back up, you will just basically, whatever I take as profit, you'll get another 6.17%. Great job, guys. It's going to be extremely hard for you to lose this trade if you use the risk management. It's why so many people use this strategy, okay? Last but not least, the indicators. These guys are on sale. Make sure you guys snag them. They are 82% off. It's a one-time purchase. You get the source code to all of our indicators, the 3 that you guys need. That's great. You guys get 40% off if you use coupon code SAVEMONEY. Get the bundle pack because this is literally we've been running this 42% sale for like ever. I think we're like coming up on 6 months. The reason why we're keeping it so low is because I'm like, look, from a business perspective, we have a really good product and we made it super cheap. So the business is able to thrive. But you guys are like, thank you, because we're making it so ridiculously cheap for you guys. All 9 indicators cost $2,200 if you guys want to buy them individually. And that's $2,200 with the coupon code activated. So you guys are going to get 82% off that coupon code activated price. That is why we have the highest selling and highest rated product on all of Gumroad.com for crypto trading and indicators. We are very blessed by that. And I'm very humbled by that, but I'm trying to show you guys some credibility over here. Like, traders are doing really well. So snag that and you'll get all 9 indicators, and you guys can set them up today. And I'll leave you guys with this. The testimonials have been crazy. I know I've gone over this a lot, but new guys who are coming in, this guy did with our indicators. I'll show you guys indicators and strategy. I want to quote them correctly. In the last 13 days, which this was posted about 3 days ago, he did $6,310. This guy did $3,500 last week, because we put this on this week. So last week with the indicators and metrics. This guy did $1,376 overnight. These guys are using our indicators and metrics. This guy did $43,000 with the trend exhaustion and price versus money flow. These indicators you guys are going to get with the bundle pack. Okay, $100 to $400 a week on average, and he's using our strategy. Okay, it's kind of ridiculous where you kind of get to a certain point here where it's like, it's just insane. Okay, I profit about $1,200 only using 2 indicators. 2 indicators. You guys want to guess which ones they are? Price versus money flow, trend exhaustion, guys. It's the best 2 indicators you guys will get. This guy down here does $4,000 plus in just 24 hours on the outlay of $20,000 just using the indicators. Okay, we protect their identity over here because we like blanking this out. But really, it is insane what you guys can see what people are doing over here, and it just kind of gets more ridiculous, kind of, as you scroll down here. $8,000 in one day from a call that I made to you guys out in Telegram. So people are loving this. Guy did like $8,000 profit in a month. He's like, yeah, I think I can live off that with the Florida's wage. So kind of funny. But anyways, you guys can read this. $20,000 this guy did in crypto and stocks with a trend exhaustion and price versus money flow. Just insane. Okay, guys, have an amazing day. Make sure you're getting the membership. Join us. You guys will also get access into the chat as well, so you can chat with other traders who have literally never lost a trade trading our strategy. And then you guys will get access to all the metrics and the entries over Telegram. And then make sure you guys get the indicators because those are on sale right now for the sale we got going on. They're in the description. Guys, have a good one. I am looking for a move back up, but 42,000 is a place where I do think we could still head down to. So we're not out of the woods yet, gonna be honest. I do think we could hit down to 42, but overall, I think those scalping trades are all gonna be profitable. Guys, those scalping trades are gonna be profitable. If you use that risk management I showed you in those 2 videos and you trade with us, it's gonna be very hard to ever lose a trade again. You know what? If I were to be this confident and I would have only won like 10 to 20 trades in a row, I wouldn't listen to myself. But since we have won 121 in a row and we have hedge funds with millions of dollars trading this exact strategy and they're not losing trades, like I think you guys can find confidence over here, hence the name Trade Confident, to trade with us. So guys, join our family. Click those links in the description. I love you guys. God bless you so much. Have an amazing, amazing day. And I will see you guys in the videos coming out tomorrow. I'll see you guys. Bye-bye.